What is the important part of being at African Christian University? And probably how has it prepared me? I'm Kelvin Kawila. I'm working as a project assistant at Sansara Events Limited. It is located in Pika, Lavushimanda district. Under this project, it is an outgrow scheme model where we are onboarding farmers to this scheme, and we trained 180 farmers. Out of 180 farmers, we onboarded 100 farmers, and each farmer was receiving 5 hives per farmer. And those hives which they received, we gave them coordinates, and the importance of this was in order to have that traceability. We are able to see, or we can follow the farmer to see what is happening at their forests or at their apiaries. And the importance of this is we're trying to have 100% organic, pure honey. So how do we achieve this? Is by checking where is this farmer located, how far are they to the farming lands. And so this is what we are trying to do on this outgrow scheme model. The most important thing about this project is it is a climate resilient project where we onboard these farmers, and after onboarding them, the forest which they conserve, we've tagged it. So farmers are not able to cut their trees because we are heading towards climate change and issues to do with drought. So if we can maintain the rainfall which we have by conserving the forest, then we've achieved what we are trying to do. After working on this project, because we are located in Pika and there's so much rainfall, another project beside that which we tried to do was to grow the local maize. And under this project, we removed the cows from the paddocks and used that place as a trial for this project. And the maize which we came out with was this which you've seen, the local maize here. And there were different colors, but this is a very good seed. And since it's a very good seed, it's organic, there was no fertilizer which was used to grow this maize. And that's the reason why we are encouraging many people to go into local seed. And if you can buy, it's even more important. We are selling it at 75 kwacha per kg. Being at ACU was the most important part of my life because through the courses which I was learning, there is student labor program which is incorporated in what we do, in what we learn. And under SLP, there are various skills which were trained. You look at carpentry, you look at landscaping, maintenance. All these we are trained. And even when we go out there, we are able to do these skills. In agriculture, there are various skills which we do. For example, there are things like drip agriculture, and we are able to do it because we are trained. And through the courses which we learned, a good example is extension course, which even when I went for industrial attachments, this was the most important course because it taught me how to relate with the communities. It taught me how to view everyone as equals. And even when I started working on the project that I'm working on, since I work with different people from different backgrounds, from the youth to the senior citizens, it helped me to then start relating to these people and view them as my equals, as my friends. This is what ACU has done to me. ACU teaches us from the biblical point of view. So students are trained knowing that whatever they do is not theirs, but it will be accounted for. So they are stewards of whatever we do. And through this, we learn to know that any work which we go to, be it in the field, be it in communities we are working with, be it in offices, we know that this is not ours, but we are here to account for whatever God gave us, and at the end of the day, we are going to give that account. Second is the emphasis on student labor program. Students not only get what they've come to be trained for, per se, it could be in agriculture, which is just farming, but rather there are more skills which are given to students through labor program. Students would go knowing what tailoring is. Students would go knowing what landscaping is. And students will be living knowing some of the things, like things to do with electrical. So you are diversified in more things. And another thing is mentorship. Having in these smaller classes, we have this good relationship, student to lecturer relationships, and not only that, there are mentorship even outside the student lecturers. So people are mentored to go in the field by people who've been there, and so this skill is passed on to students due to smaller classes, and this is very important for students who are coming in. So therefore, if they come in, they get all these, then they will know how to interface with the community, how to interface with the country at large, even when they're going different skills that they've been trained for.